How's it going, guys? Thought I'd just do a quick haul video from this week, and while I'm at it, a updated room tour of the Hot Wheels room. So first up, got this Punisher car. Not really a big fan of the Marvel stuff, but Punisher is one of my favorites. So pretty sweet car there. And then I picked up the Speed Blur 5-pack. I got 3 of the Chevelle SS wagons from last year. For some reason I just never grabbed these, so looks like there's another one I'm missing too. And then I grabbed Mazda Ripu. Just never grabbed this one either. And I found a holiday car from last year, Screamliner. And a couple Matchbox, 47 Chevy, and the Holden VE UTE. Pretty cool. And last but not least, I found the 2 cars I was missing for this Detroit Muscle set, 69 Pontiac GTO. And the 69 Camaro, which I happened to find 2 of, so that was cool. So now, for my favorite part, I have pegs waiting for them. There we go. Achievement unlocked. Alright, so we'll just start here with the tour. Actually, we'll start over here. This is where I do all my painting, and when I work on the cars and stuff. My office here. Lots of nerdy things happening in there. And this wall is my childhood cars in the Hot Wheels case. Over here we have the Queen's scrapbooking area. And on this wall, on the top, since I've been getting the 2019 cases, I decided to just hang them all up in order. So it goes all the way across there and back. And then down here for now, I've got stuff for ripping races. And here, got all my fantasy cars that have been raced. Each one in alphabetical buckets. And up there I've got some Johnny Lightnings. And this is like planes and motorcycles, non-raceable things. Got some kind of junky cars over here. And some more down there. And this is all other nerdy stuff. Back over here is where I keep all the sets. Some of these will eventually get opened. We've got the Fast and Furious, the black and gold with the gold Camaro. Got the full Target throwback set. Got the full Walmart Camaro set, Ford truck set, Mopar set, Chevy truck set, the 50th Favorites complete set, shop trucks. This is the whole Honda set with the exception of the motorcycle, which I don't care about. And here's the new Batman set without the Batplane, which I don't care about. Here's just a couple Forzas, don't have the set on that. The newly completed set there. It's a new Circuit Legends set. A couple of the old cargo carriers. And here's this Hot Wheels Classics set. And on this wall, we've got the Disney set. 4 out of 6 of this Looney Tunes set. I'm missing Marvin the Martian and Wile E. Coyote. Probably never find them in the wild, but here I've got the Monster Jam Bone Busters set. I just thought these are cool. Those are the only Monster Jams I have, really. And I've got one Grave Digger. There we got the Walgreens exclusive Super Bee. Thank you, Keystone Racing, for that one. And some stuff that won't roll down the 6-lane track. Here's most of the cars from that set. Here's the new Spider-Man set. I've got some FTEs, Mr. Mom Van, old Datsun, a couple GoPro cars, the New Year car, some Dub City cars, an old Batman thing. Like up here, Jetsons car. This is mostly like fancy stuff. Halloween set from 2 years ago. I've got this Marvel set. My Loopsters. The Tesla. Here's the new Disney set. These are Target Red editions. These will all get opened eventually too. And here are some regular treasure hunts. I think that's it there. Got a scoreboard down there. And then of course we've got all the cars on the wall here, which have all been raced. They are somewhat organized, but I need to go through and redo it. They're kind of blending in, or bumping into each other and getting mixed up. And we've got a couple Hot Wheels books. The Team Transport set. The Hot Wheels Red, White, and Blue set. There's our podium. A couple little play sets. Rescue Team. This is the empty box. We raced this one in a video. They're all put away now, but I like the box. A couple 9-packs ready to go. Oh, down on top, we got my Super Treasure Hunt. That box from that I just put up there. A couple cool cars there. And an M2 Chase and an M2 Raw. And my Hot Wheels stamps. And a big stack of Mystery Model stickers. Down below, got some cases. These are cars that are going to other people. More cases, some track pieces. Some duplicates I have. My Daytona 500 track. My portable track with the 3D bot maker start and finish gate, 2-lane. These are all duplicates that'll get traded or something. Then we've got our cases here. So that's my Phaetons, Porsches, Porsche Mini Coopers, Dioras, 1 and 2 Camaros, Vipers, Corvettes, Bone Shaker and Bone Shaker-esque things. This is food trucks and food related stuff. And we've got the Lamborghinis and Jaguar gassers. And I've got one more gasser that's on the Thunderground Canyon right now, waiting to be raced. Mustangs, Batmobile, Chargers, Challengers, Lotus, McLarens, and Teslas. And then we've got Ferrari, Firebirds, and Ford GTs. And over around here, got 5-packs and 3-packs. And then this wall of stuff for ripping races. And then we've got the Thunderground Canyon. Hot Wheels Calgary postcard. There's my other gasser. It needs to be erased still. The lamp of illumination. Yeah, there's good kind of a panorama of the whole room here. And then we're also working on this room. This is not to be the Hot Wheels room, but we just got the floor finished. And it needs walls and ceiling still. But, and we got lots of nerdy things in here. This is like the game room, basically. Like board games and stuff. We can push those two tables together and have a gigantic table if we need it. There's leftover foam from Thunderground Canyon. But I think that's it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.